Ready, Opo? Where's the snow? Wow! Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Madulas.
Tuesday, Wednesday, tap, tap, tap. Thursday, Friday, almost done. And Saturday, so much fun. Good job.
Where's your baby?
Okay, my friend. You guys are so lovely. And
Is that your baby?
told me about
Oh.
the weather, about the dates of the week, and let's song about the weather.
Look at nanay. Yummy yan? Wait lang. Wait lang. Yummy yan? Gulo ng hair mo.
Doing so fast. Go, girl. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt your run. Go. Go, baby, go. The arms to the
I
side.
know.
Like she's a speed walker.
She'll be tired.
Perfect.
Right? Sleep in the car. Halika. Lumapit ka dito. Ba't nakapagkaalis ka? Ayusin natin. Eh, taas mo yung kamay mo. Oh, sige na. Oh, sige na. Alis ka na. Kay Kuya Rhaegar to bag. Bye-bye. Mahulog na naman yung bag mo. Hakan mo. Sige na. Alis ka na. Look at me. Blow kiss muna kay mananay.
My head is
Blow a kiss.
not.
Bye!
Baby.
Baby! Happy Valentine's! Ano sabi mo? Eyes, close your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Say Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's
Wow, what you gonna say to Kuya?
Day.
Oh, love, love Kuya.
Baby, hug Kuya first. Baby, hug Kuya first. Yay, balloon. No.
Say Happy Valentine's, baby.
Back.
Oh, hug na, baby. Asan yung bigay sa'yo ni Kuya? Asan yung bigay ni Kuya Rhaegar? That's from Kuya Aries. This one, is this from who? Kuya? How about this one? What color is baby gonna wear? Tagal natin to. Saan? Ah, pumipili si baby. Which one, baby?
Baby.
You want to pinili mo yan, Kuya?
Which one? Which one? Green? Yeah? You gonna wear this? Baby, you got to pick three, okay? Pink one.
Wow! Uy, ang ganda. Baby, look at me. Wow! Ang ganda, ang ganda naman ang hair niya. Sino nagbigay sa'yo? Kuya Rhaegar and Kuya Aries? Say thank you!
Dada. Happy Valentine, baby.
Rainy. Rainy. Saka? Asa ka? Rainy. Sino yan? Hi. Meron pa? Here. Ubus na eh. Finish all the avocado. No more na? Meron pa. Hawak mo yung avocado. Ay, hindi mo kakainin yan. Yung loob lang. You like avocado? Yes, yes. Ano sabihin ka na? Ano pa? Punasan? Ba't tayo nandito sa floor pa? Okay. All gone. No more. Sino nag-ubos? Taas kamay. Eh! What happened? Meron pa. Eat mo. Ubos na. Thank you. Give it to nanay. Punas your mouth na. Doon sa green. Sa green. Huwag yan sa hand yan eh. Yan. Meron pa? Punas your mouth pa. Sa green. Yan. Tingin sa salamin. Can you put this in proper? Yeah, that's correct, cow.
Okay, hang on, Royce.
Good job, Oakland. Welcome, welcome. I'm so happy
Hey.
today. That's wonderful.
Big says. Oink, oink. Say hi, babe.
Very nice.
Where's the duck?
Box.
Oh, it's a China far.
She moved to the island.
Duck says? Quack, quack.
Yeah, big move.
Sheep. Sheep says?
Square. Good job. Where do you get this one?
Goose.
Yeah, we still send pictures.
Duck says,
and
goose
she
says.
texts almost every day, every other day. Yeah.
This one. This one is for the car.
Very nice.
This one, last one, the goat.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, that might be a nut. A nut of some sort.
Yay.
Okay, I'll get a finger chip.
Work in here. Let me see if I still have it.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. I'll take it later. Yes! Yes! We're gonna read book. Tawagin mo si Kuya. Say, Kuya. Tawagin mo. Dito upo si Kuya. O, sige, dali. Naghahanap pa si Kuya ng book niya. Oh, okay na. Okay na. Ako na. Oh, tawagin mo si Kuya. Say, let's go. Say, let's go. Tawagin mo si Kuya Iris. Tawagin mo si... Kuya Riker.
Why?
Tawagin mo na si Kuya Iris. Say, come. Saan upo si Kuya Iris? Sa head daw niya, Kuya. Wag daw. O, tawagin mo na si Kuya. O, tawagin mo na nga. Say mo, fast. Pumunta ka. Sabi mo, fast. Say, Kuya. You got one already? Yung tummy mo. Wala, Kuya Iris, ayan na siya. Run! Dito ka ding sa kabila ding. Water, please. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay na? Baba na si nanay? Okay. Ikaw to tata. Hi.
Bye.
I'm gonna go to tata. I'm gonna go to tata. Me first. Me. No. Huh? I'm gonna go to tata. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to tata. I'm gonna go to Wow! Sumatalong pa isang. Andun. Wag lang siya nga aakyat papunta doon. Tapos pinupuntahan niya yan. Ano ba yan? Bear ba yan? Parang hindi naman bear. Ay, sa taas oh.
Like Tita, right?
Hello. Do you wanna play with them, Adi?
No. No, you don't like this one? Yeah.
You wanna play on your own?
I want you with me. You
What
want?
do you want to play?
You don't want that. You only want here, yeah?
Okay. Kaya, magsuka.